Welcome back to Dr. Emily-Hartwell, where we unlock the secrets to a pain-free life through smart science and movement. Many believe that back pain in middle age is inevitable, a cruel tax we pay for simply getting older. However, the truth is often mechanical. Your spine isn't decaying, it is simply maladapted to years of poor posture. Think of your spine like a door hinge. If you never open it fully, the metal begins to rust. The real culprit is often the lumbosacral joint, which gets stuck because we spend too much time sitting down. Your body is an adaptation machine. It has become very good at being stiff because that is what you practice. We sit in the car, at work, and on the couch. This creates a flexion pattern that locks the spine. This constant flexion pushes your discs backward and strains the ligaments. I'm creating a chronic sensitivity in your lower back. When joints stop moving, the brain senses danger. It tightens the surrounding muscles to protect the area, causing pain. You might feel like you cannot straighten up completely. This is not old age, it is a mechanical blockage. We need to restore the natural curve. We must convince your nervous system that it is safe to move again. Motion is lotion. Movement pumps nutrients into your discs and lubricates the stuck facets of your lower back vertebrae. The solution is not bed rest. The solution is specific, targeted movements that reverse the patterns of your daily life. I have designed a 4-step protocol. These exercises are chosen specifically to address the root cause of mechanical pain. We will reset the posture, lubricate the joints, stabilize the core, and finally mobilize the hips for walking. Breathing is crucial here. Deep breaths signal safety to your brain, allowing tight muscles to relax and let go. You do not need gym equipment. You only need a small space on the floor and a commitment to heal. Let us begin with the first movement. This is the most critical step to reverse the damage of sitting. We call this the prone elbow press. It is designed to gently introduce extension back into your lumbar spine. Start by lying on your stomach. Relax your legs completely. Let your heels fall open to release glute tension. Slowly prop yourself up on your elbows. Keep your hips down. Imagine your spine is a string of pearls lengthening. This position reverses the C shape of sitting. We are gently pushing the disc fluid back to the center. If you feel sharp pain, lower yourself slightly. A dull ache or pressure is normal as the joint resets. Hold this for a few seconds. Breathe into your belly. Let gravity do the work of sinking your hips down. Lower yourself back down. We are pumping the joint. Extension, then relaxation. This rhythmic motion helps reduce stiffness. Come up again. If your back allows, you can press up onto your hands, but keep the pelvis grounded. Do not crane your neck. Look straight ahead. The focus is entirely on the arch of your lower back. Common mistake: lifting the hips. If your hips leave the floor, you lose the leverage needed for the reset. Keep the hips heavy. Imagine a heavy sandbag is resting on your lower back, keeping you anchored to earth. You are also stretching the tight hip flexors and abdominals that have shortened from hours of sitting in chairs. I'm going to perform about 10 repetitions. We are not building muscle here, we are remodeling the tissue and joint position. Press the floor away. Feel the spine extend. This is the antidote to the hunched posture of modern life. If you have sciatica, be careful. If leg pain increases, stop. If the pain centralizes to the back, continue. Lower down and rest. You have successfully reset the extension. Now, we must address the rotation and stiffness. Transition slowly to your back. Do not rush. Treat your spine with care as we move to the next position. Now that the joint is reset, we need to lubricate it. Synovial fluid is the oil for your joints. Stagnant joints dry out. Gentle rotation stimulates the production of this fluid, reducing friction and grinding sensations. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. And this is the starting position for supine knee rotations. Spread your arms out to the sides for stability. Keep your feet and knees together like they are glued. Slowly lower both knees to one side. Go only as far as comfortable. Keep your opposite shoulder on the floor. This creates a gentle torque in the lower spine. It wrings out the tension like water from a sponge. Bring them back to center, then drop to the other side. Keep the motion rhythmic, slow, and completely controlled. Think of windshield wipers, back and forth. We are not forcing a stretch. We are encouraging movement in the joint. This movement targets the rotators of the spine. It helps break up adhesions that form from staying still too long. Inhale as you come to the center. Exhale as you drop the knees to the side. Use breath to relax. Do not rush. Do not let your shoulder pop up. If the shoulder lifts, you have gone too far down. Reduce the range if needed. Quality over quantity. We want the twist to happen in the spine, not the shoulder. You might feel a release or a gentle pop. That is just gas escaping the joint, which is perfectly safe. Continue this for about 1 minute. Feel the stiffness melting away with each rotation. Your spine loves this motion. We are decompressing the nerves. By rotating, we open up the exit holes for the spinal nerves, reducing irritation. Bring your knees back to center. Give them a gentle hug if it feels good, but do not force flexion. Now roll to your side and come up to all fours. We have mobilized. Now we must stabilize the structure. A loose spine is an unhappy spine. We need to wake up the deep core muscles that act as a brace. The multifidus muscle is your internal corset. In back pain sufferers, this muscle often goes to sleep and atrophies. Get into a tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Your back should be flat like a table. Find your neutral spine. Engage your abs slightly, pulling your belly button toward your spine to lock the position. Imagine a glass of water resting on your lower back. Your goal is to move without spilling a single drop. This is the bird dog. Extend your opposite arm and leg. Reach long, not high. Focus on length, not height. Point your thumb up and your heel back. Keep your hips square to the floor. Do not let the pelvis rotate. This is an anti-rotation exercise. Your core has to work hard to prevent your body from twisting or falling over. For the advanced version, bring the elbow and knee together underneath you, then extend again without touching the floor. This challenges your balance and forces the deep stabilizers to fire. It teaches your spine to remain stable while limbs move. Switch sides slowly. Notice if one side is harder than the other. Asymmetries are common, and this helps correct them. Do not arch your back. If you arch, you are using your joints to hang on rather than your muscles. Keep the ribs knitted down. The movement comes from the hip and shoulder, while the spine remains solid as a rock. Imagine someone pulling your hand forward and your foot backward. Creating traction in your own body relieves pressure. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Own the position. Stability comes from control, not from speed or momentum. If you are shaking, that is good. And that is your nervous system learning a new pattern of stability and strength. Rest for a moment. You have activated the protection system of your spine. Now we prepare to stand up. Stand up slowly. Use your legs, not your back. We are moving to the final phase. Functional integration for walking. Walking is the ultimate test for your back. If your hips are stiff, your lower back takes all the impact. Stiff hips force the spine to twist excessively with every step. We need to loosen the hips to save the back. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, hands on your hips. Soften your knees slightly so they are not locked out. Imagine you are standing inside a barrel. You want to touch your hips to every side of the barrel's interior. Push your hips left, back, right, and front. Smooth out the corners. Make it a fluid, circular motion. Now, this lubricates the ball and socket joint of the hip. Loose hips act as shock absorbers for your entire spinal column. This is standing hip circles. As you get comfortable, make the circles larger. Explore the full range of your pelvis. When you push back, feel the stretch in your hamstrings. When you push forward, feel the opening in your hip flexors. Switch directions. Go the other way. Notice if there are any sticky spots or areas that feel jagged or tight. Keep your head relatively still. Isolate the movement to the midsection. This separates hip movement from spinal movement. Do not move your whole body like a stiff block. We want dissociation. Hips move, upper body stays calm and stable. This dissociation is key for walking. It allows your legs to swing freely without yanking on your lower back structure. Ground your feet and feel the connection to the earth. This exercise also improves your balance and proprioception significantly. Breathe deeply. You are telling your body that it is safe to move, safe to stand, and safe to walk. Compare how you feel now to 10 minutes ago. You should feel looser, taller, and more connected to your core. Come back to center. Stand tall. Let your arms hang loose. Feel the blood flowing through your lower back area. We reset with the press. We lubricated with rotations. We stabilized with the bird dog. We mobilized with hip circles. This routine takes less than 15 minutes, but the impact on your daily life and longevity is absolutely profound. Consistency is the secret. You cannot brush your teeth once and expect clean teeth forever. The spine works similarly. Do this every morning or whenever you feel stiff. You are giving your body the maintenance it desperately needs. Remember, pain is not a lifestyle, it is a signal. And you now have the tools to answer that signal. You are not too old, your back is not broken, it was just stuck. And now, you know how to free it. Here is a summary of the routine. Take a screenshot so you can remember the order and practice it tomorrow. If you found this helpful, please check out my other videos on neck pain and posture correction for better health. Your support helps us create more free content. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is currently in pain. Thank you for trusting me with your health today. Keep moving, stay consistent, and I will see you next time. This has been Dr. Emily-Hartwell, wishing you a strong spine and a happy life. Goodbye, and take care of yourself.